Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection. Put your laptop and phone on the same Wi-Fi or grab a USB cable. Once done, unlock the phone and accept any trust or file access prompts so the computer can see it. Next, open the transfer method you picked, Cloud Drive, AirDrop, or a file transfer app, and sign in if needed. You do this first so the devices can talk, otherwise the files won't move when you start sending pictures. Now you select the photos on your laptop. Use Shift or Control to group selections and Preview to confirm. Then drag them to the destination, drop into your cloud folder to sync, click AirDrop to send, or copy to the phone's mounted storage over USB. Make sure to watch the transfer progress and wait for completion. If you start another heavy task, the transfer can slow or fail. If using compression or a zip, extract on the phone after transfer. Finish by opening your phone's gallery or Files app to confirm the pictures loaded and thumbnails generated. This assures you didn't miss anything. If files are missing, reconnect the cable, reinitiate the cloud sync, or retry AirDrop. Often a reconnect fixes permission hiccups. Make sure the format is compatible. Convert Hike to JPG if the phone app won't display images. If problems persist, restart both devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.